In a small village, a little witch named Ivy lived in a tiny, colorful cottage. She was small, but her heart was very big. Every morning she baked sweet treats for the lonely and fed hungry animals in the streets.
Everyone deserves a little sweetness in their life.
People were afraid of her at first because of her pointed hat and magic wand.
I may look different, but my heart is just like yours. Why are you sad, little one? See? Even small magic can bring a big smile.
But soon they saw her kindness. Children played in her garden, and villagers asked for her help when they were sad.
It's so lovely to see all of you today. What can I help you with? Kindness is the strongest magic of all. If I can make even one person happy today, my day is complete.
Ivy smiled, happy to give love and care. Though her magic was small, her big heart made the village brighter every single day.
Have you ever met a witch like me? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.